Imagine waking up and your internet is crawling at dial-up speeds. Your work calls are lagging, streaming is buffering non-stop, and millions of people across Asia and the Middle East are experiencing the same nightmare. This isn't a dystopian movie. This happened just yesterday, when critical undersea cables in the Red Sea were severed, creating a digital crisis that's still unfolding. Stay with me to find out exactly what happened and why this could happen again. Welcome to Future Gen News. Today we're diving deep into one of the most significant internet disruptions of 2025. We'll break down exactly what happened, which countries were hit hardest, and most importantly, what this means for the future of global internet infrastructure. If you want to stay updated on major tech news that actually affects your daily life, hit that subscribe button right now. On September 6, 2025, multiple undersea fiber optic cables in the Red Sea were cut, disrupting internet access across parts of Asia and the Middle East. NetBlocks, which monitors internet access globally, reported that a series of subsea cable outages in the Red Sea has degraded internet connectivity in multiple countries, specifically affecting the SMW4 and IMEWE cable systems near Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. The timing couldn't have been worse. This happened during peak business hours across the affected regions. The disruptions hit multiple countries hard, including Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, the United Arab Emirates, and India, resulting in slow speeds and intermittent access. But it wasn't just regular browsing that suffered. Microsoft was forced to reroute Azure traffic on Saturday after two major submarine cable systems were severed, triggering latency spikes and degraded performance for cloud users across South Asia and the Gulf. Think about what this means. Businesses relying on cloud services, remote workers trying to connect, students attending online classes, all suddenly dealing with internet speeds from the dial-up era. Here's what makes this particularly concerning. This isn't an isolated incident. In early 2024, several cables were cut in similar circumstances, with Yemen's internationally recognized government alleging that Houthis planned to attack undersea cables. In 2024, cables belonging to four major telecom networks, including the Asia-Africa-Europe one, TGN Atlantic, Europe-India Gateway, and the Seacom system, suffered damage. The Red Sea is a critical choke point for global internet infrastructure. These cables carry a massive portion of data traffic between Europe, Asia, and Africa. When they're severed, there's no easy backup. Traffic has to be rerouted through longer, more expensive paths. The immediate question everyone's asking? How long will repairs take? Undersea cable repairs are incredibly complex operations. We're talking about cables lying thousands of feet underwater that need specialized ships and equipment to fix. But here's the bigger concern. If this was intentional, and that's still being investigated, it exposes just how vulnerable our global internet infrastructure really is. From November 2023 to December 2024, Houthis targeted more than 100 ships with missiles and drones in the region, showing this area remains a geopolitical hotspot. So here's what we learned today. A few severed cables in the Red Sea can literally slow down the internet for billions of people across multiple continents. It's a stark reminder that our hyper-connected world relies on surprisingly vulnerable physical infrastructure. This brings up a fascinating question. Should we be building more redundant internet infrastructure? Or is this just the price we pay for global connectivity? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this video opened your eyes to how fragile our internet infrastructure really is, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs to see this. And don't forget to subscribe with notifications on.